Morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge. Today, folks, I know most kids are back to school now. Season, unfortunately, RV camping season around here is winding down another month or so. So you want to think about, getting winterizations, your maintenance, into season maintenance before you put it up for winter storage, unless you're heading down south. But we are running some maintenance package sales right now on all our maintenance packages, uh, saving several five, $600, $700 on some of them. I'm standing in front of one that came in, was having slide out issues. It was slide out running in and out. And once we got into it, his slide out floor is rotted. And I'm going to have her zoom in here, not zoom in, but so we got the floor out, getting ready to install a new slide out floor. But reason why I was doing it in front of this unit, this was just 100%. It was due to lack of maintenance and had water leaks coming into that slide out floor is what caused this. So very expensive repair. There is some other repairs we're doing on this as well, and it is due to maintenance as well. So just into season coming up, and we are running those sales. Winterization, we will be starting our walk-in winterizations here at Walnut Ridge. Usually about the second or third week in October. We will be posting that on our web page, where you can, no appointment necessary. You can come in, and while you wait, get your unit winterized. And then if you wanted to, book your appointment, to get maintenance done on it. Like I said, we're running very good specials on all our maintenance packages. So hope this helps, folks. We'll see you here hopefully in the next few weeks.